We had the best time with Nemo. This experience was honestly more than just a cooking class, it was also a super fun walking tour through the local market, and it felt so authentic from start to finish. Nemo is incredibly friendly, welcoming, and full of energy, seriously. Crazy energy in the best way. She's also very knowledgeable and explained everything so clearly, while keeping the whole experience fun and relaxed. She answered all our questions with so much patience and enthusiasm, and she had us laughing the whole time. The tour was a bit longer than originally mentioned, but we didn't mind at all, we were having such a blast. It was me and my husband, plus 4 other people, and the group vibe was amazing. We cooked a delicious salad, fish, greens, and ugali, and everything tasted so good. I genuinely learned a lot during the cooking part, not just follow instructions, but real tips and local knowledge. One of the highlights for me was also trying a local Nairobi bus during the experience. Highly recommend this experience to anyone visiting Nairobi. Nemo is one of those people you instantly want to be friends with. What an amazing experience. I was a little worried when I was standing outside the meeting place and hoping I was in the right spot, but when the host showed up, she made sure I had an amazing experience. She made sure to ask what I wanted out of the experience and catered the meal to my wants/needs. At the market, she did a wonderful job explaining what we were getting as well as the cultural significance of the items. The actual cooking experience was fun and she made sure I was involved and also learning about the food and culture. And the food was fantastic. I had some general questions and the host, who knows Nairobi well, went above and beyond in answering my questions and helping me. I would 100% recommend this experience and would even do it again myself. This is a must-do for anyone who travels for food and the culture that surrounds it. I would say I enjoyed this more than the safari. You'll experience and learn about everyday life which is not readily available from the internet or other tours. I felt like I got to learn about the market, food, and public transportation with the very expert guidance of Nemo, who was enthusiastic about answering questions and sharing what she knows firsthand. As for the food, it honestly is the best Kenyan food I've had in the 4 times I've been able to visit in the last 3 years. She gave choices for the starchy staple that we would cook. I chose her tribe's staple, mokimo, which is honestly so good I look forward to recreating it back home. Don't hesitate. Book it. We had a lovely experience with Nemo. The hours spent were a blast from start to finish, with Nemo being the bubbliest and friendliest host we could have asked for, in addition to being too eloquent and good at informing and instructing. We adored riding the local bus, it was an absolute blast. And the local food market made us green with envy. Such a magical selection of produce. Cooking a traditional Kenyan dish under great guidance was phenomenal and we learned things we will take back home with us to our own kitchen. And to top it all off, we got to meet her adorable cats at the end of the day. A solid 10 tenths from us.